Hello, everyone. This is Ken Latham, Design Guy, signing on. Okay, Jesse, Tiffany, here's what we're looking at for your back patio or back balcony. So this is taking quite some engineering challenge to get this working. I've got that actually sticking out 5 feet 6 inches. I was able to get your curved sides one that you're looking for. But if you decide that you want to run just the cable rail going back, that can be done as well. So, and I've come in and I've used for the surfaces on the sides here and on the decking boards, I've used composite material. Again, the cable rails back here. So I think they're looking good. I did come in and add trim boards onto your house like through there just to dress it out a little bit. I did the same down the side of the house. So let's swing through. So I put a half column up against the house, and then we've got 3 columns along the side, 3 columns along the back, and then on the side facing the park, we're probably only going to need a half column because the house itself should be carrying that structure at that point. So just to swing back through again. And of course, I still have a long ways to go. I've just been trying to get you that balcony that Tiffany was looking so forward to getting, and I look forward to making it happen for her. So there you go. That's just a quick shot of that balcony. I'll be waiting to hear back from you. Give me a thumbs up or try again. Y'all have a great day. Take care. Bye now. This is Ken Life from the Design Guy signing off.